Welcome to this edition of Park Hill In Depth. We are at Lakeview Middle School with our Superintendent Dr. Jeanette Cowherd. Dr. Cowherd, as the school year comes to an end, there are some exciting changes and updates in our enrollment-based long-range facilities plan. Can you share some of those updates?
Absolutely. Probably the most exciting one is that next week on the 22nd of May, on Tuesday at 10 a.m., we'll be doing our official groundbreaking for Hopewell Elementary School. A lot of interest in that building, and we're excited. It has a wonderful design that'll really fit that site, and we're just excited about that. So we want to invite everyone to come to that at 10 a.m. again next Tuesday on May 22nd. And then also we are moving forward with Walden Middle School. If you haven't had a chance to drive by there, which I will admit it's a little hard to drive by there right now with all the road construction with 56 in Northwood, but it's really coming out of the ground. So the steel is there now and they're getting put in place. We've put up some of the initial walls. So they're starting to take shape as far as what the building looks like. And then as far as the support services and transportation, we've got our first set of bids out for that one, and they're coming in and been approved by the board. And so we'll start that process. We hope to start that in October. And then even this afternoon, we are on our third meeting with our design process for the Lead Innovation Studio. So lots of things going on. While it's the end of the academic school year, I feel like we don't ever stop. We're 12 months out of the year process.
Absolutely, and it's important to note that even throughout the summer, there's a lot of stuff going on in Park Hill. So can you share a little bit more about, in addition to those projects, other things that we're working on this summer?
I'd be happy to, and actually I'm going to cheat a little bit on this one because there's so much going on. I actually brought a sheet with us to read on some of those things, so I apologize for reading these parts, but I think it's important that they know truly all the things that are going on, because a part of this is a part of our capital planning, just our normal processes, but the other part of it is around our bond stuff. So both things are going on this summer, and so it's just important to say. So here's some of just the maintenance projects we have going on this summer. We're renovating the media centers at both of our high schools. Front entrances, we're changing the security process for both of our high schools, which I think is important. Reconfiguring the high school administrative area at Park Hill High School. Renovations to our kitchens and our serving areas at Park Hill South, which we desperately need. Because the continued growth at Lead, we are building out the 5th floor. We were just in the 6th floor this year, so adding that up to the 5th floor. Recabling doesn't sound very exciting, but actually with all the technology we use, we're recabling actually Prairie Point and Garner this year, and so that's a big deal also. Renovations to the playfield at Tiffany Ridge, it just needs to be updated a little bit so that it's safer for our students there. Replacing artificial turf on our district soccer stadium this summer, and replacing the natural turf with artificial turf on the practice field at Park Hill South. Adding lights to the softball and baseball fields at Park Hill South. Adding a mobile classroom. Yes, we're still adding mobile classrooms to Hawthorne Elementary School. We're out of space. And painting in just about absolutely every building we have. Plus we have replacements of roofs, HVAC systems, doors, windows, asphalt, concrete. It's that thing that our parents always in our community ask us to do, which is maintain what you have been given and take good care of it. And so that maintenance piece is a big part of that. The other big things coming up this summer, which I don't need my list for, would just be ongoing professional development opportunities for our teachers, of course, and then summer school. Our summer school program continues to grow, and we're so excited about that. It's such a great opportunity for our students. Now, the enrollment date for those that wanted transportation has passed already. However, you can still sign up, you can still get transportation, but those routes are being actually planned around what we have already received. And so you may have to walk down a few houses to get that transportation, but transportation is going to be available. So actually we are trying to wind down and get ready for our graduations and all those wonderful things, but at the same time we're gearing up for everything else that's going on to get us ready for the next school year too.
Lots of important updates.
Lots of important stuff.
Thank you very much, Dr.
You're so
Cowherd.
welcome.
If you would like updates on our enrollment-based long-range facilities plan and ongoing summer projects, visit our website at www.parkhill.k12.mo.us. With Paul Lewis behind the camera, I'm Samantha Fitzgerald, and we'll see you next month for another edition of Park Hill In Depth.